In this video, I'll show you how to set a custom photo as your wallpaper on your Redmi 15C. All you have to do is go to settings, and then within the settings, select personalization, tap on it, and then from here choose either lock screen or the home screen to set that particular wallpaper. So choose the option that you prefer. So let's say if you want it on your lock screen, tap on it, and then select customize. Now within the customization settings, tap on wallpaper, and then choose local photos, and then find the photo that you'd like to use. So for instance, this particular photo, tap on it, and now you can see that particular photo. Additionally, you can add wallpaper effects if you want. So tap on wallpaper effects. Okay, make it blur, you can make it as a glass, and all the other options that are currently available. So for me, I'll just leave it as original. And then once you're done, simply tap on apply, and then you'll be prompted if you want to set it both your lock screen and the home screen, or you want to set it as a lock screen only. So choose the option that you prefer. So I'll just select only lock screen, and there you go. You have successfully set a custom wallpaper. So whenever you locked your screen, you can now see your new custom wallpaper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.